In this tutorial, we'll cover Hifi governance and token delegation. Towards the end of 2022, we underwent a token swap from mainframe to Hifi. As a result, the Hifi DAO is born, giving Hifi token holders control of all material aspects of the protocol via governance voting. The first and most important step to governance is to delegate your Hifi tokens for voting. So let's get started. Head over to our website, hifi.finance. From here, you'll click on Governance at the top of the page. This will be your go-to page for all things governance related. Scroll down to the delegation section and you'll see Hifi allows its owners to delegate their voting rights to any address, including their own. To open the delegation app, click here. Now connect the wallet containing your Hifi. Once connected, you'll see your address appear in the top right corner of the interface. Click Delegate and a popover will appear where you'll be able to delegate your voting power to yourself or to another community member. If you select another community member, you're essentially giving them the power to vote on future proposals on your behalf. So pick someone trustworthy who keeps up with the Hifi proposals. In this case, we'll be self-delegating. Click Confirm and sign the following transaction. Once you get a success message, your Hifi tokens have officially been delegated and you're ready to participate in governance. Let's head back over to the governance page to check out the Hifi forum. This time we'll scroll past the delegation section to the governance forum. The forum is where all proposals are first introduced and discussed by the community before going live for voting. Click this button to open the forum. Here you can read, create, and comment on proposals to improve the protocol. While many proposals come from the Hifi Labs team, anyone can propose an idea to the community. Want to write a proposal for the community? Check out our guide on how to write a good forum post linked within the best practices category here. Lastly, we have the voting section. Once a proposal goes live, on-chain voting will be done on Tally, one of the most trusted leaders in DAO management. Here you can vote for or against existing proposals. Remember, in order for a proposal to pass, it must have majority support while meeting quorum, which is the minimum number of votes required to execute. And that's it. With this knowledge, you're able to participate in governance voting to improve the Hifi protocol. To stay up to date on proposals, be sure to follow us on Twitter or join the community in the Discord.